In this guide, I'll show you how to create a project, both as a private project in your personal account and as a team project in an organization account. Let's start by creating a private project. Make sure you're in your personal account. In the upper left corner, click Add Project. Give your project a name. Optionally, add a description, planned start date, and end date. For now, I'll just click Create Project. Your project is now created, and the project form opens. Here you can add or edit the description. Set the project state and status description. Assign a project color. Add links, for example, to your Google Drive. Define the planned schedule with start and end dates. If I go back to the home view, I'll see the project listed with its name, planned start date, and planned end date, and the selected color. Important to note: private projects are personal only. They cannot have customers, suppliers, resources, or members. Those features are available only in an organization account. Now let's create a project in an organization account. I'll switch to the Demo Corp organization. I click Add Project. Give the project a name and create it. The project form in an organization account offers more options. In addition to the basics, here you can add a customer, add suppliers, connect the project to a workspace within the organization, assign a project manager, add participants from your members list. Let's add a start date and an end date. Now, if I go back to the home view, the project is visible with the customer name, the project name, the responsible person, status, and schedule. All of this information is shown because customers, suppliers, and resources had already been created in advance under the organization. Your personal account shows everything: your private projects, plus all organization projects where you're assigned as project manager or participant. But it doesn't work the other way around. Private projects never appear inside an organization account. And it's not possible to convert a private project into an organization project, or vice versa. So remember, private projects stay private. Organization projects stay within the organization. But as long as you are a member, you'll always see your organization projects also listed in your personal account, giving you a complete overview of all your activities. That's how you create and manage projects in Starbrix. Private for your personal work, and organization projects for team collaboration.